Still people joining. Sorry for that. Kuno, you don't need to raise a hand. Today, this is just a monologue from my end. It's not a discussion, so therefore, but I wave back. Hey there. Sing at the end together. The chorus. Let's see. So let's say till 5 minutes after we wait, and then the rest. It's not waiting in front of the door, but doesn't hear everything, but still people are joining. So therefore, let's give them a chance for the next 2 minutes, and then we start. Okay, and therefore I don't give no one. I don't say later. I say later something. In the chat are nice messages. Everything you will hear here. All will be good. I can't see the chat completely. What is this? So I record in the cloud, no one else. So therefore denied. No one needs to ask to record this call. I will do it and you will get it later in the group. Okay, let's start with a question. I can't wait for this in the chat. There's a question in the chat. When will be the payouts going on with TRC20? You realized what happened last week. I think all of you, most of you realized what happened last week. Unfortunately, call them former partners, means Skainet, they tried to rescue. They had a big minus before. They tried to rescue and did something you shouldn't do as a trader at all, acting emotional, trying to recover losses. And therefore, you see that the balances at the moment are zero. For all of you who didn't hear that yet, it's a shock to the system. I know. The rest had a little bit of time to maybe calm down a little bit, breathe more times than twice, and get here information. What I can tell you up front before we start, before everyone joins, people who actually at the moment got less back than they paid in, wait a little bit. I guess after this call, your mood will be definitely better. The rest will follow. So I start, Asim, you have a look at the waiting room, please, because there's still people inside.
You're all done. Everyone's in.
Perfect. Thank you very much. So then, before we do this, wait, I record this call. So wait a sec, let me record.
Recording in progress.
So we are no German, no, we're an English-speaking company, international company. Therefore, these calls are hosted in English because we have more people on this planet than just German-speaking people. We have an international community and English is the world language. Guys, first of all, good evening, good morning, good night, wherever you are on this planet. Thanks for tuning in. I know most of you are not sitting here with the best mood ever. Let's say, I wait what he's telling us. Let's start with the past, with the not so nice things. I told this already, or you mentioned it already. Unfortunately, Skainet didn't work out as all of us, and especially my person, wished for. Why me? This face here, this was the face of this whole project. And of course, a lot of people outside love me extremely at the moment. But I'm still there. You see, I didn't run away. I don't hide. What did we do? You saw that Skainet was not really running well for the last couple of months already. It started all with this compliance. Then the trading profits went more and more down. And from now on, let's say, I think 2.5 months ago or something like this, I had long conversations with the other side of the project. This is the broker, Cermak. We were speaking about what can we do, because we have an amazing community, to give them something. There is no need to raise the hand. I told this already. To give them something they can actually work with. So, and then an idea was born to create a new project on the site next to Skainet, running both on the same site, where the trading is a little bit different than it has been in Skainet. Means away from HFT trading, also away from things that most people who didn't join Skainet take as the reason why they didn't join. And this was what? Deposit lock. Giving your money away 6 months and not getting it back, a lot of people say, that's not mine. Therefore, we created a product which actually launched today. What also helps people, most of you, who at the moment lost money in Skainet. So let's end this with Skainet. Last week, unfortunately, all the accounts went to zero. Why? Because the traders, they knew that we launched something new. They was extremely under pressure because the algorithm didn't work at all. It didn't work anymore. This is what I said in the beginning. Algorithm works for a specific time, not all the time. Isn't a problem when you have substitutional ones. They told us they have. Yes, they had, but also these algorithms didn't work as they're supposed to. So this means the trading results get more and more down, and they tried to rescue, and therefore, unfortunately, they burned their accounts. Money right now is away. But when one door is closing, another one is opening, and this helps everyone also from the existing community. And therefore, I go into the presentation and I will show you what we do here. You see, it's different. It's not Skainet anymore as a project of the broker CERMAKFX. Cermak itself launched now a project which also offers Forex trading. Disclaimer, as always, of course, this is just for informational purposes. This is no financial or investment advice, and numbers mentioned here are just examples. What is Cermak? Most of you know Cermak. Cermak is a 100% A-book broker, a broker with a license on the Comori Island, means an offshore broker. And we offer here 3 risk-based strategies. We offer a low, a medium, and a high-risk strategy in normal trading, not in HFT. We have a team in the back of elite traders. They are long in the market and they unite their power to maximize your profits. And we use advanced tech. The Forex market itself, it's the same as it has been before. Still the biggest financial market existing with a volume every single day of 7.5 trillion US dollars. What means A-book trading? A-book trading means that we directly route all the trades to the external market. We don't take your opposite side. Means we are not working against you. It's not that your loss is our profit. We also, as a broker, need to make profit to earn money on that. We have no dealing desks. There is no manipulation or no conflict of interest. Everything goes through liquidity providers to the market. Here is something different. For me, Michael, and I see this in the chat as well, of course, people see my position. For doing this, for going with the way with Cermak, I had a little bit of tasks to fulfill. And I said to the guys, listen, I do this because I still believe in the longevity of the project, but I want to have more insights. Here, I have more insights because here, actually, I have the complete insight into A-book trading. I know exactly who is behind which liquidity providers. And when I have big investors, I can go into Zoom and show them live on the desk. I can't do this with everyone, but I can show them live on the desk that here 100% A-book trading is done. The products I mentioned already, low, middle, and high risk. What does it mean? Low risk, and we speak here about a target, has a monthly target of 3 to 10%. This is ideal for capital preservation and stable growth. The minimum invest here is a bit higher than in Skainet. In the low risk and in the middle risk, it's $1,000. Middle risk, the target we want to reach is 10 to 20%, means that is balanced. And we have a high risk strategy, which starts at $3,000. Here is the target, 30% and more. It's a very aggressive strategy. And here, of course, the more risk you take, the higher is the potential of a loss. But you can see all of these strategies already in the MyFX book. Maybe Asim, you can put the link inside the chat. You see in MyFX book, all these 3 strategies, what they did so far. Also here, like you already know from Skainet, we have a profit share. Here, the profit share is not daily. Here, it is weekly. Because the trading looks here a bit different. You know from HFT, trades are opening and closing, means executed within seconds. Here, trades are completely different. Some trades are open for minutes, some for hours, some even for days or weeks. Depends on what the traders see inside a trade. There is different assets that are traded, not only like we had US 30, here is gold, here is currencies, here a lot of things are traded here. From the 100% profit you make in a week, 50 stays with you and 50 is going to the broker, to Cermak. Means what here is also inside. We don't take 100% profits out like we did before. We just take the 50% out. Means you have directly auto compounding. You don't need to pay it in again. So let's do an example. You have $100 profit, will be split it, $50 stays with you, 50 goes to Cermak. What does Cermak do now? Cermak takes 25% and gives it back into marketing and infrastructure. Means, like you know, into compensation plan. And 25% stays with the trading team and it's for company operations. And here's one important information behind. From this 25%, we take 5% away. And this is something I was fighting for because maybe one or the other just remember what I said in the beginning. My vision is that everyone here earns money. Didn't work out so far. But this also means my vision was that no one loses. Right now, I need to say I failed, but I don't want to fail. I don't lose. Therefore, I was fighting that we implement something and Cermak takes here full responsibility, what they didn't have to do because it was fucked up by the trading side and trading losses, unfortunately, can happen. No one needs to pay them back. But what Cermak take responsibility for is that 5% here of the money that goes back to Cermak will go into an umbrella, into kind of a rescue umbrella, and every single member of Skainet who has a negative balance, what does this mean? Negative balance means you have a deposit from your own pocket paid, for example, $1,000. This is paid from your end. You took out commissions or profits, whatever, $500. Your balance in this case is minus 500. So means Skainet ended when you lost $500. Every week now, not from directly because we need to implement this in the system, give us 3 to 4 weeks, I guess more 3 than 4. And then we will show in the back office for each and every one of you your balance. And when this balance is negative, you will get from this 5% every single week money back. For this, what is the requirement? Nothing. Zero. You don't need to pay any single penny. The only thing you do is you log in every Friday and have a look if money came back. Where can you log in? CERMAKFX.com. Everything that was on Skainet, because Cermak took it over, is now one-to-one mirrored to Cermak. You will see it when you go after the call on CERMAKFX.com. The site is new, it's different, and you see the whole back office inside. Everything you saw before in Skainet is now in Cermak. When your balance is negative, you will see it in around 3 weeks, and every Friday you got the paid back till your balance is zero. And this is what I said in the beginning. People who actually right now say, amazing, I lost money. You don't. It takes some time, but we won't stop till everyone is paid back. Requirement, nothing. I understand that a lot of people in this call here say, amazing, I don't follow you. That's fine. No one needs to. It's an offer from our end to do something. It's a good product, but you don't need to. I totally understand. You made experience that's not that nice, but we take this responsibility and help you to get your money back. The product, and this is the difference, no lock-in period. Means the user can withdraw the money at any time, also the profits. There's nothing locked for any single day. The profit split I mentioned already, the 50-50 is every single week, not every day. And when trades are open, I told you some trades are open for several days in this profit split, then they go to the next week. So it means everything that get paid out is just what's closed trades already. And the funds remain in your account, means there is compounding already inside. Nothing is taken out, just the 50% what goes back into infrastructure, but your 50% are staying inside of your account as long as you don't withdraw them. MetaTrader 5, the same platform we use here. You already know this platform. We had it also before. This is actually completely the same. The only thing different here is that we don't trade HFT. So it means it's not what we had in Skainet that we say at this time of the day, everyone please have a look at the MT5 and see live trading going on. You see live trading going on here all the time because the trades are always open. It's not that you can do videos like before. You see all these things very fast. Here, it just takes some time. And we also have a partner program. To this partner program, the whole structure of Skainet is also completely moved like it was before to Cermak. Means when you had a team, this team is completely there. When you decide now and say, even if I have a team, I don't want to do anything at the moment. Maybe later, let's have a look at it. But now what happens? People under you decide they go the way with us. You didn't pay a single penny. You did no commitment. You put no effort inside, but you know what will happen? Also here, you will earn money. Why? Because you're automatically in this partner program without paying. There's no requirement for you. Also here, you will get commissions without you doing anything. Some of you maybe ask themselves already, Michael, when no one starts, how do you want to pay back? How can there be profits? Very good question. You know what? For me, I have in my head the worst case scenario. The worst case scenario is that 99% of the Skainet community is not following. And that's okay. I totally understand that. And I have no issue with that. So what I'm doing with other people already, also with Asim, since weeks, we are reaching out to new people, to new structures, to people who already had interest in Skainet, but didn't start because of deposit lock and several other things. These people are waiting for today. They're actually starting today to build this thing new. Means you don't need to do anything. You will get paid back definitely. When you decide to join, you're most welcome. We are happy about everyone who's joining, but we also understand everyone who says at the moment, I have a look at it. The partner program is a bit different than it has been before. It's not 10 levels anymore, it's 15. These 15 levels, and this you know, is with different commissions. You have milestones in turnover, level 1, 5% commission, everyone. I signed up you anyway already, just need to log in. You also don't need to do a KYC. KYC is already there. We did it on Cermak already. And the first milestone is $2,500 in turnover of your team. Then you go to level 2, 8% in commission. And this goes on and on and on till you reach level 15. Here you get 25% commissions with a turnover of 50 million US dollars. Also here, bonus differential system, unilevel plan means on your direct partners, you get the full percentage according to your level. In this case here, level 15, 25%. I'm your direct member. I reached level 8. Everything on profits in a week from my downline, you get the difference between your level and mine. In this case, 7%. Completely the same as it has been before. Once again, even if you don't pay a single penny, you will earn commissions when someone who's already under you is working with us. The same, the 5% rescue umbrella for everyone with the negative balance. Also there, you don't need to pay a single penny to get paid back. Same broker, you know it already, offshore broker with an international license created in the year 2023. And this license allows us to do all types of Forex trading for our clients, including the trading of CFDs. That's Cermak. Easy with a product what definitely is a very good one, where we had these, let's say, things that people didn't like in Skainet included. And what's also helping Skainet community with, at the moment, a loss. So let me look in the faces again. Some of them are a bit more shiny. And I don't even want to look in the chat. Let's see how many people want to kill me here. Asim, do you had a look on the chat? Is there something what needs to be answered? What's important?
Not on my end, no. I didn't get any message.
You did get it. Okay. So let me quick go through the chat. Okay. There is complaint. No hand raising, Claudio. I said this is a monologue today. This chat thing is totally different now. Oh my gosh. So I just don't read these things. I read them, but I will. It's all about Skainet. That's all good. So Skainet, guys, you can ask a million questions about Skainet. I told you, Skainet, unfortunately, is not existing anymore. It is not there anymore. We can discuss about it. We can say why and should they and could they. Guys, I know that's not nice. Do you think that I like this? Do you think I love these kind of calls? No. But what I can do now is stick in the past. I can stick there. You can say, oh my gosh, everything went to ashes. The world is over. Or I can put my effort in solutions. And this is what we do. And people who are in the chat here complaining and say, oh, lost money. Guys, you listen. You will get paid back without doing anything. Zero. Show me a company who did that. I know companies who tell me you can participate in a new project, but you need to pay. And this is what I didn't want because, sorry, this is, you know how this works. Here, for me, important is that the people who lost money get it back. And this I stand for. Trust me, I don't stop till this is not done. You will see it. No, the chat is not disabled. You just don't see it. People, once again, because this is in a chat, people who have a negative balance. What is a negative balance? Every money you took from your own pocket, for example, $1,000, what is in the system and what didn't pay out, match the payout. So means you have a payout either from commissions or from profits of $500. Means your balance is minus 500. And this $500 you will get back, not directly. It will take some time, but you will definitely get it back. What do you need to do for it? Just click the button every Friday and have a look if there's actually money on your account. Nothing else. And the questions about investments every time, guys, listen to me. Skainet, there is zero, nada. Cermak takes responsibility and pay you back. After this call, you can go to CERMAKFX.com, can check everything there. Please, the balance is not there yet. It will take around 3 to 4 weeks because they need to program it. No one expected that this happened, what happened last Friday. Unfortunately, it happened. What will I say? Past is past. I can't influence or change this anymore. What I can do is, with actions here in the presence, have a better future. And this I do for everyone. Trust me, I don't let the people down. Also, the channel, the Telegram channel will be in red now, will be Cermak. Everything will run under Cermak now and not under Skainet anymore. Here's a lot of German questions in the chat. Let's do a German call also at, I would say, Friday or Saturday. Then you can dare listen to all of this in German again. Maybe you understand better because the questions are always the same. Login is the same as with Skainet, absolutely the same. If you can't log in, please send message in the groups. You will log in. It is the same. Trust me. Everything is one-on-one like it has been before. Just now without locks, without anything. And people who are just watching will get money back. Have a look at it. See what it brings you. And we do a German call also. Let's say Friday or Saturday. I will mention this there. and then we can do the same in German. Maybe you understand this all. Thanks for joining in, and let's see for all of you what you can do with it. I'm happy for everyone who will join, but I understand also everyone who says, of course, with you, I tried, didn't work out, I don't want. See, wait for it. But what I promised you, I'm not away, I'm still here. There are people inside, HK, I kiss you, all good. People who have no manners, you don't need to join. Thank you very much, the rest, for understanding, for patience, for everything, and trust me, I don't let you down. I promise you this, and I keep my word. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Recording stopped.